Hi, this is Billy Tarasio. I am the attorney and owner here with Modern Law. We have two locations, one here in Mesa at Val Vista and 60 at the Dana Park Complex, and one in South Scottsdale. Over the last 6 years, we've worked with more than 3,000 family law clients. We do everything from divorce to modifications, enforcement, child custody, and child support. So we really do understand what you're going through. We know how to handle your situation, and we want to hear your story in order to best help you get through this very difficult transition. We truly love what we do here at Modern Law, and everyone here is dedicated to working with families through this very sensitive time. At Modern Law, we don't treat every case the same. We take every single case and every single budget and customize a plan of action for you. We can work with you as little or as much as you need us. That means we can do everything for you, or we can help you while you represent yourself. You may be a good fit with Modern Law if you're not looking to smear your ex or avoid paying child support at all costs, but instead you want to work with a compassionate and knowledgeable team in order to best navigate these treacherous waters and get a fair and equitable result. When you hire Modern Law, you're hiring a team. We all work together on your cases. We meet at least once a week to go over what's going on in your case and to support one another. Not only that, when you become part of our team, you become part of our team forever. If you're not sure that you're ready to sit down with us for a consultation, we also offer webinars every single month. Sign up for a webinar, come to our website, check out our videos. What we really want is to meet you. So call Becca, tell her your story, and then come in and meet with us. We'll come up with a customized plan for you.